Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to share yet another plan with me, and this one is going to be in my TPC Nation planner, and I'm going to be using this Avalon and Ninth Salem kit because this is the month that we're going to Salem, which you guys are probably tired of hearing me say it, but it is the month we're going to Salem, so it is time to start putting down my Salem kits. This one is like a witch themed, obviously. It's got the witch's dungeon. This is absolutely gorgeous, like church. The candles, the books, the like pilgrim uniform. I mean, the whole thing is just absolutely fantastic. Love the washi, and then the colors in this kit are also fantastic. So I'm just going to run through each page, and then I picked this up as well because this is the TPC Nation planner, and I wanted to actually put artwork here that kind of fits here, and use the rest of these boxes in this. So that's where I'm going to start. I'm going to start putting down just the sidebar because yeah, just because I want the whole thing to match. And of course I put the very first one down crooked, since this basically covers up almost the entire thing. So squiggles and all are gone. I've never ever used an Avalon and Ninth TPC Nation kit before, so this is first for me. And I think I'm already messing it up, but ooh, look at this. This isn't in the main boxes. This like little cabin, I like that. Really like that. There's, oh, totally crooked. That is so crooked. Oh my goodness, it's so crooked. Oh well, that's all right. Calm down, it's okay. So let me put down the rest of these, and then we'll try to figure out where we're going from here. So I've already set up the other planner, and I used the River Street stickers, but I did it just as, see, now it's making my other box really crooked. I did it just as like a, a quick Instagram video. So if you're curious to see how that one turned out, it is fantastic. It looks so stinking cute. But that one is also finished, so I can take my planners with me on my trip. So I'm only taking 2 planners with me because I don't feel like carrying, like I have so many planners, I just don't feel like carrying that many more. So up at the top here, I'm going to leave it blank because I think I've got a script in my Scribble Prints Co. little script pack that'll go up there, but I will cover those. Just the tops, if I can find my whiteout, because of course I didn't bring it with me. Because why would I do that? You know what? I think actually I'll grab a brand new one because I think that other one's messed up anyways. It keeps falling off the tracks, which is probably me, but it would be just easier to have a new one. So I'm just covering the tops of these just because I don't want to be able to see that over the top, which sometimes with this planner, because it has really tall days of the week, it'll poke out the top. So cover that up, put down all the dates. So this is for the first week. So the first week is kind of like a half and half because I'm pretty sure that this one is for the 5th. Yeah, so this is going to be part of August and part of September, just so that, because I didn't realize when I was doing, since I did the other one so early, so that it was out for the Hocus Pocus kit, I didn't really pay attention to what week that was, as far as like realizing that this was an end and end of one month and beginning of the next. So this is getting basically 2 weeks with, but I need to use my kits for all of my like witch themed kits for September. So if I don't double up on this week, I'm gonna mess up my rotation for my kits that I picked out and ordered. I bought kits specifically for this, so that's why I'm doing it. So now that I've rambled on about absolutely nothing for a while, let's see, there's 4 of these, 1, 2, 3, so I'll put this one here since I pulled off 2. There we go. I just want to put some glitter down. I haven't picked a foil yet. I'm not going to do the foil here this time because I'm not really sure which foil I want. That's very close to the other glitter color, but that's okay. Anyway, I'm not really sure which one I want, and I don't know if I want to I know I said I was going to foil every single one, so we'll probably foil these like I usually do, but I don't know if I want like a full-on. See, what did I do that for? What a ding-dong. Oh well, it's not going to be even. I'll probably just do the dividers because why not? Why not? You know what, I'll just go backwards. So now another green one. And then the orange looking one. There, that's better. Okay, so there's all of those. Now the question is, how do I want to make this work? Like, do I want to do it all across one? How do I want to do this? Because I'm definitely using the washi, even though it's this type of planner. And I did do the sidebar kind of the way. I'm still gonna do the washi, and I'm still gonna put down the full boxes just like I usually do in the TPC planner. I don't generally use it the way it's intended, which all of you already know that, but for anybody that's new here, this planner is actually meant to go horizontal and vertical. So you put down like homework, kids, school, sports, whatever, and then you put what you need in that day on that day, going horizontally, but I don't ever use it that way. I bought it with the intention of doing that, but it didn't work out for me. And I actually do have, look at that. There was one already cut. Sometimes Avalon and Ninth kits, the washi will be cut, and sometimes it won't be cut. So it's kind of a toss-up. But it's all right. Oh no, those are the dividers. So now this is not gonna match since I just took it off, but who cares, right? It's pretty dang close though. Pretty close. No one will know, right? No one will know. Actually, they will know because now there's a little hole right there. Anyway, let's get back to this. So I did buy a B6 one of the TPC planner, and I did that so that I could use it for like planning out social media stuff. And once again, I'm already failing at it. So it didn't take long for me to mess it up and not continue to do it, even though I bought lots of cute kits and I was having a good time with all of the, I'm totally gonna be random about this, with the stickers, and I was having a good time. I really was. But I still fell off the train, so yeah. I got some really cute kits for it. I'll get back on track. I will. I think I've been just really distracted trying to get everything done before this trip. And then we have another trip right after this one in October, and then we have another trip in November. So we're like all over the place. And I'm trying to like get ahead on certain things so that I'm not stressed out about it not being done. But I just, yeah, I think I'm just gonna end up missing a lot of the things that I had planned, which is fine. That's not a big deal. I want to use the cat, and I'm gonna put it right here. And since this is like a double week, I'm gonna use a lot of artwork because it's not. I already have this week planned. As a matter of fact, is it this one? Yeah. So it's my tiny little tulip, my aliens and candy one. So I already have it pretty much done and planned out. So there's really no reason to do it twice, other than I wanted all of the witch themed stuff for the entire month of September. So that is why we're doing it. These are all dividers, which I will use. Oh, I like this purple. I really like this purple because I can also put foil on the dividers. I like that a lot. So this is going to go off to the side and probably end up being used in another planner. I do have these dividers, but I'm not going to use them. I am going to use these right here. And let me look at this one over here. So we have these, which we know we're going to use these because we love these. The only thing is this. So I have to put it in boxes like that. And then we can put a divider right above it. And then this one we'll have to do something else, which is good. It's fine. I don't know if, yes, it does. There's a few. There's a few. So we'll go like this. And then we'll put a little header on this one, which would be important. We'll do important. And then we still have space, so we can put a divider in there of some sort. But we'll worry about that later. I'm not going to do it right now. We have a ton of these type of boxes, and I love to use them. So we're going to put one on every day, which I might as well do it now. I don't have any particular place that I want them to go. I just want one on every day. I love making my lists. Makes me feel like I got something done when I actually fill it out and I check them off. This one will go right there, being very random about it. And if there's extras left over, I might put another one. Because these are only 3, and sometimes my lists get kind of long. So 3 might not be enough. Do this one here. And then I want to put a header above this one, so I'm going to do, what is this? So this is I think this is 29. Hang on, let me peek so I get the date. I feel like it's yeah, this is a 29, 30, 31. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will be gone. I'll be in Boston. So I don't really need a to-do or anything like that. I am going to keep track of where we go out to eat or what we do for food. We should be at my uncle's by this day. So whether or not we actually go out to eat or if we cook at home or whatever we do, I want to keep track of those. And I want to keep track of them on every day. So I'm going to start putting those down. This is how I'm going to make sure that I don't forget, because I do it quite often, forget to put these down. After I've laid everything down, then I'm get frustrated because I'm like, hey, I forgot. So I'm going to put one on every day. Except this one, see? See? Ooh, I know what we can do, though. We've got that extra space. Let's pull you up because you're awesome Avalon and Ninth paper and you will come up easily. And then we can put this down right here. And then we can put one of these guys. Let's put a purple. That's much better. I like that. That's good. Happy now. All right, and then we'll do one more. So I got one, I still need one there too. So I'll do one right here. This day I gotta still work. Last one, we'll put here, wait. I'm gonna put shenanigans. I don't know why, but I love that word and I like that as a header. Put that right there. Then we can put that down. And then we still got this guy. Put that down. Perfect. It is perfect. I don't need any trackers this week because I'm not tracking anything, basically. Now we can start putting these down. I'm being very methodical about this today. This one can go here. This one's going to go here. All but 2 days are getting them. Actually, no, I lied. I'm not putting it there, and I'm not putting it there. Those are too big. They're too big for those spaces, so not everybody's getting one. Unless we do this one. This one can go here. There. That's good. Then on Wednesday, since it's a work day, I'm going to put down a box for that. A box for my phone call. And then we'll put down one of the lined boxes right here in the middle. So I can mark down what I need to get done that day before work. And we have a smaller one up here so we can put a header at the top. I love having those scripts from Scribble Prints Co. If you haven't seen them yet and you go on their website, there's a buy all button, and if they're all black, but they are all foiled. It's just a black foil. And you get so stinking many of them, and I use them every single week, and I love them. So here's a good spot for another divider, and I like this, like kind of spooky looking paper. Put that one there. Okay, this page is basically done, except for that top part, which I don't know where I'm gonna put there yet. Actually, let's put one of the labels there so I know, and then I'll put my header over it. I think I have a bunch that say like important and stuff like that, so I can do that. Or maybe I can put one up there that says like highlights, and I'll just put like one important thing in each box. I don't know yet. We'll figure it out. Down here, this is, I'm not going to be going to work this day because this is the day right before we fly out. So I have not really a lot of stuff that I'm going to actually put in this planner, because I have a whole, in my journal, I have a whole page that has the list with the checklist on it of all the things that we need to get done before we leave. So this one is just for fun. I don't need anything important there. And then put one big one over here. I love these like patterned rounded boxes in here. She has like a really nice mix of all like different things so that you don't have just all squares everywhere. So I really like that. Then we need one box up here. Oh, I forgot about this page with all the, I love these, but I've got a ton of extras here in some really good colors to use with some of my smaller, I do have some smaller kits that only have like a couple pages and not a whole lot of extras. So this will be perfect for that. I think we'll just do a label. Don't really have a lot of stuff to talk about that we haven't already discussed because we've been getting ourselves ready to go on this trip. So we haven't really been able to talk about a lot of stuff that you haven't already heard. Like nothing really exciting has happened since I did the last one of these, but I really wanted to share this because I think it's fantastic. It's beautiful. I'm leaving these empty for actually, I think it's in here. Let's do it. Let's do it. So this one, I don't have them for here because they're already on this page, I think. Let me see if I put them down. Did I? Didn't. So they must be in my other planner. So I've got the whole month of September, the wacky holidays. So we're going to do that, but we also need to put our numbers down. So this is the 5th. No, the 29th, sorry. I'm going to get this right. I am. I promise. Let's go with these ones down at the bottom. So these are some just because Avalon and Ninth, they're monthly, I mean, not monthly, but they're regular kits in the shop. Not the subscription kits don't come with date dots. So you got to have your own date dots. So I always have a stack of these in my scripts. Let me see. This one. So it's a mess. It's a mess because I have a bunch of scripts, but this is my scripts and I always keep my numbers right in the front. So I've got a bunch of them and they're all different ones and like leftovers from other shops where they give you. So I always have plenty of date dots just in case kits don't come with them because not everybody includes them. I have a few kits in my shop that don't have date dots included. So it's always a good little thing to keep stocked up for when you run across this. So there, that's this week. So these would go on, so this is National Letter Writing Day. I'm going to put it up here because I've got some space in between these two, and this is going to get a little character. So I put a character here, and then these guys, I usually just like try to find a spot somewhere for the wacky holidays. See, my daughter has been having an absolute fit about, let's do this one, Doodle Day, because I want her to do wacky holidays for us, for our shop, and she's just like, thinks I'm nuts. It's a lot. That's a lot to do. She'll get it. She'll do it. It'll be okay. And I think that's pretty much it. The rest of it I will update on Instagram with my little character stickers and the scripts and stuff that I come up with. So if you go check out my Instagram, you'll see this kind of filled out with all the extra stuff, photographed and looking fantastic. And then that's pretty much it. Thanks guys so much for hanging out with me and watching this little pre-plan for this week. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.